Rags to riches. A person's rise from a state of extreme poverty to one of great wealth. His journey has been one of rags to riches. He started out as a street vendor, but now is the owner of a big business. To pull one's leg. To be kidding. If you pull her leg like that again, she will never speak to you again. Look into. To examine something. Scientists are looking into using spider silk for heart surgery. Look forward to. To be thinking with pleasure about something that is going to happen. Kalpana always looked forward to her English lessons. Her teacher is very handsome. To talk over. To discuss or consider a situation with others. Before I accepted the new job offer, I talked the matter over with my best friend. Hard nut to crack. A person or thing that is difficult to understand or deal with. This problem is getting me down, it's a hard nut to crack. Look like $1 million. Luxurious, gorgeous and beautiful. Sri looks like $1 million in this saree. Lend an ear. To listen to someone's problem in a sympathy way. I lent him an ear when he needed advice on a personal situation. To rub someone the wrong way. To irritate or annoy someone, or to get on someone's nerves. His girlfriend rubs him the wrong way. Run of the mill. Average, ordinary, commonplace, mediocre. That restaurant has nothing special. The service and the food are just run of the mill. Hot potato. A difficult situation or problem that people don't agree on and don't want to handle. Raising salaries for non-managerial staff has become a hot potato at my office. Poke around. Look around a place typically in search of something. Just poke around the internet, you will find a lot of dating websites. Don't get mad, get even. Channel your anger into revenge. Relationships here seem to work on a don't get mad, get even principle. Pig out. To eat a large amount of food in a short amount of time. The food was free at the buffet, so he pigged out. Fall back on. Depend on, have recourse to when in difficulty. You must save money to fall back on it in old age.